you've been wondering how to upgrade your React project to the current version, that's the React 19, then no problem, I'm going to help you to do that. I'm just going to give you some small tips that you can use to upgrade your React project. It's not only for React project, but any NPM framework that you are going to work on and you want to upgrade it. So that's what I'm going to teach you. For us to upgrade any project, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you've backed up your project, so that in case something happened and then you need to get your old project back, you can get it. You can back up your project using the version control, or you can use a zip format or a zip approach to back up your project. But as a developer, it's advisable for you to get your GitHub or your Git repository, depending on the type of Git that you use. As far as your project is being backed up, then you can proceed upgrading our project. Now let's assume we've backed up your project. So we are currently using the 18.2 and we are going to upgrade to 18.9. 19. So for the 19, we can't just upgrade it from 18.2 to the 19, because React is saying that they've made some changes, and those changes, there are some codes that are in 18.2 and are no more in the 19. So if you've used those codes in your React 18.2, it's advisable for you to upgrade to 18.3. They have flagged those codes as warnings, so that you can make changes in your project, and when you are certain that all the necessary changes that you need to do, you've done it, then you can upgrade to the 19. So that's simple. Now for us to upgrade our project to 18.3, we can go ahead and then type this command. So let's terminate our terminal, and then we have to type npm install, then we add the save exact, and since we have to upgrade our project to 18.3.1, then we add the React Doom to 18.3.1, then we press enter. Then we wait for our npm to finish installing the package, and now we are good to go. Now we can see from our terminal that we've upgraded the project to 18.3.1. so let's check our package.json, this file, and then we can see that there's an update here, because at first it was 18.2 and now it's 18.3.1. so now we can go ahead and then run our project dev, and then we are good to go. So now we have the current version here. Now one thing I want you to know is, once you are done with this one, it's good you run your project, then you check your console, okay, to see some of the warnings, and you have to fix them as soon as possible before you upgrade to the 19. So now let's upgrade our project to 19. For us to upgrade our project to 19, we are going to use my favorite way of upgrading my React project. Okay, so instead of specifying the version, okay, we can then tell npm that we want you to install React version, but we want the latest. Okay, so here we are not going to specify any version here. So with this latest here, it means that React will then visit the npm registry of this project, or this React project that you are working on, and then check the current version. Then it will download it and then update your package.json, so that your project will be upgraded to the current version of the library or the framework that you are using. So let's press enter, and then let's wait for the npm to download and then install. Now you can see that we've made an update here. Okay, we've made an update here. So now we've successfully upgraded our project from React 18.2 to React 18.3, then to the final React version, that's React 19. Okay, so with the React 19, there are some things that you need to work on, and I'm not going to talk about it in this video. Okay, so maybe I will go through the 19 and then see if I can get some tips that I can share with you. But for now, I believe you should be able to watch this video and then being able to upgrade your React project to the current version. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the other video. Bye bye.